In number 1, our job is to decide whether the 3 lengths will form a triangle. And if they do, we're going to use a ruler and a compass to draw the triangle and label it. If it doesn't, we need to write Y. So our first 3 side lengths are 3, 4, and 5. If we add up the 2 small ones, they have to be more than the longest side. And 7 is more than 5. So this will create a triangle, and now we need to draw it. Using your ruler, please create a line that is 5 centimeters long. Then you are going to open up your compass so that it is 4 centimeters, and you are going to swing an arc using that size on your compass. So now mine is open, and I'm going to swing an arc that is this long using my compass. There we go. Okay, then I am going to measure with my compass a 3 centimeter wide distance between my point and my pencil. And I'm going to swing an arc from the other side. So now put your point on the other point and swing an arc from that side using the pencil. Then where they cross is the point of your triangle. Connect it to the other corners, and you have a 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 3 centimeter sides. If you did it from the other corners, it will just be flip-flopped, but it will be an identical triangle, just flipped over. Now we're going to work on B. B has side lengths of 1, 4, and 5. If we add the two small sides, they have to be bigger than the biggest side. And 5 is not bigger than 5. So we're going to say this will not create a triangle. And this is our justification for why. We're going to say that is not true. Now moving on to C. In C, I have side lengths of 1, 5, and 5. Our longest side is 5. And if I add the other 2, it has to be bigger. Is 6 bigger than 5? Yes, so these are going to make a triangle. So let's start by creating a side length of 5 centimeters using our straight edge, our ruler. Once that is done, you will want to open your compass up the same distance. So you can put the point, let's turn this a little bit, put the point on one end and open it up to 5. And then you're going to swing an arc because you need one that is 5 on the bottom, and then one that's an arc of 5, and one that has an arc of 1. So now we're going to swing that arc, and we're going to make it big because I don't know where it's going to cross. Then I want an arc that is 1 wide, so I need to move my compass so that it's only 1 centimeter instead of 5. So on your ruler, check where 1 would be. Once you know the 1 centimeter side length, you're going to go from the other corner and create an arc. And so use your pencil here and create an arc that is 1 centimeter wide. Where they cross is where your point goes. Then you are going to connect it. So this will be your triangle with 1 centimeter, 5 centimeters, and another 5 centimeters. Now we're on part D. D has 8, 3, and 4. If we add the 2 small sides, are they bigger than the longest side? 7 is not bigger than 8. So these will not form a triangle. And we've got got two left, E and F. For E, we have 8, 8, and 4. 8 is the longest side, and if I add 8 and 4, that gives us 12, and 12 is bigger than 8. So we can form a triangle with this. Start with a side length of 8 with your ruler. Then take your compass and from one corner, open it up so that it is 8. I hope mine opens up that wide. No, it does not. Okay, I'm going to have to zoom out and make it smaller so that way you can still see me do the work. All right, here. Now let's make it be 8. Swing that arc. Then we're going to do one that is 4. So open up your compass so it's 4 centimeters wide. But don't forget you want to switch so that your point is now coming from this side so you can create the arc over here. And where they cross becomes your point on your triangle, and we connect. Ignore the things on that one, it's not accurate. It's based on how big it is on the board, not how big it would be on your paper. So this one would be 8 centimeters, and this one would be 4. Okay. E. No, we just did E. F. F is 4, 4, and 4. Is 8 bigger than 4? Yes, so it is going to form a triangle. And when you open up your compass to be 4 centimeters wide, then you're going to swing an arc. And then you're going to switch it so it's on the other side. Oops. Switch it and move it over. And you're going to swing an arc from here, where they cross. Oops. Make sure it stays the right size. There we go. And where they cross is our new point. Then draw the lines connecting them. And it should look like that. All of these side lengths are 4 centimeters.